Chey and Carly's road trip continues. After leaving Seattle, we drove about 5 hours south to Bend, Oregon, home of Smith Rock State Park. The park has over 650 acres to explore and 12 official trails to hike. They range from easy to difficult to, well, you'll see.
Oh my god, look at that person all the way, they're like wearing purple or something.
You're climbing.
That's so cool. There's a lot of aggressive hiking.
A lot of very easy hiking. Yes. It's really nice that they're very short hikes, so you can do multiple or pick and choose, like a difficult one and an easy one.
I think the most difficult one was 4 miles in a loop, so not too shabby.
And we found a dog.
Yes,
so
we
we
did.
love this place. Yeah. Oh, and now it's a dog.
We did parts of the Misery Ridge Loop and the Summit Loop. Overall, it was a great day, a beautiful hike, and a place we would highly recommend going to if you're already in the area. Stay tuned for the next episode where we continue our road trip along the Oregon 101.